What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're talking about Santa Maria grills. More specifically, the attachment for the Weber 22-inch. Now, there's a couple different variations for this attachment. Mine specifically came from Titan Outdoors. I'm going to walk you through what they look like, how they operate, how to load them up, how to fire them up, how to maintain nice even heat. Then we're going to go ahead and throw some protein on the grill, how to maintain nice even heat on that protein. Then we're going to go ahead and eat that protein. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. This here is the Santa Maria grill attachment for the Weber 22-inch. Specifically, the Titan Outdoors model for the Weber 22-inch. If you get the Only Fire grill attachment, it comes with a rotisserie kit that runs across the whole length. Now, this here is the handle that raises and lowers the grate. This is the stopper handle that is set up for a right-handed person. I modified mine so that way a left-handed person can operate it because I'm a lefty. And of course you've got the grate that is set up by lead wires that wrap around the pole up top. That's pretty much all this grill attachment is. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Just when the fire gets too hot, raise up the grate. When the fire gets a little too cold, lower down the grate. Simple as that. Now, you can start this process of lighting your grill one of three ways. You can either go with briquettes, lump charcoal, or wood. I choose to go with lump charcoal because it gets a nice bed of real wood down for when you start loading on your logs of wood. I'll explain to you about what I do with my logs of wood when we get to that point. Now, I use the Sear Pro to start my fire. As you see, the coals are starting to ash over. Now, what I've done with my wood, see if we can focus in on that. I've taken the logs that are normally 3 times the size and I've ripped them down to the size of about the thickness of a chunk. And they're about 3 chunks or so long. That way they catch much quicker and they will burn much more evenly. See how they're already starting to catch fire? That's how you're going to keep much more even heat. Let's come back in a couple minutes after they've caught fire. Now we're going to move on to the next step. If your fire gets too high to where you're having to move that grill grate all the way up to the top, get in there with a poker stick. Move that wood around. Separate those logs. Put one log to the right, one log to the left. Move them around. Get that fire down. We're going to go ahead and throw on some of that chicken that we're going to use today as our protein. Today we're using Saints and Sinners Chicken Little. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, thyme, lemon. All the good stuff a grown boy needs. Now this is the time where you start playing with it. Start lowering that grill grate down, bringing it up. Got to adjust it based upon the heat that you feel. This is going to be a hot cook. You will get hot from this. If you look at the fire, this is about maybe 20-25 minutes in. The logs are about half burned down. This is a perfect opportunity to throw some more logs onto the fire if you're doing a longer cook, to keep everything burning nice and clean. We're going to go ahead and check the chicken real quick. This little guy's done. So, real simple, real easy to do. Couple key points for running one of these things as a battle 115 degree heat. First, lump charcoal puts a nice bed of real wood coals underneath it as your wood ignites and stays ignited. 2, rip down your wood into almost pizza staves, you know, about 2-inch by 2-inch blocks, about the size of chunks, but they're in log form. I'm going to put up a picture here real quick of the splitter that I bought off of Amazon for $35. Can't beat that price, people. 3, raise and lower your grill grate based upon the flames and the heat level that comes with the bed of coals. Just that simple. That's all you got to do. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you, and have a good day.